Your IQ2 shows a panel tampered signal. This is usually a result of the panel being slightly ajar from the base. To fix this, we're first going to locate the two tabs at the bottom of the panel, as we're going to need to press on these to open the panel. You can also turn on the clean screen mode to avoid sending any false alarm signals if you're touching the screen. Press on the two tabs and then pull at the bottom corners, trying to separate the front screen from the base. Once removed, line up the top edge at a 45-degree angle, pressing down and firmly into the side of the base. We want to make sure there's no gaps on the top edge, and we want to make sure everything's going to sit nicely together. Press down into the bottom edges. Upon the click, our job here is done.